Yes, you read the video title correctly. By the end of this video, I will show you how to earn more than $100 a month just by turning on your PC and leaving it in idle. And if you think it's too good to be true, this is the proof of payment that I got from the website, and these are my email inbox of the payment. So based on all of this, I can confirm you that this method is legit and the app definitely pays you. However, make sure you watch the full video and follow all the steps I'm showing without skipping the video, because there are certain things you need to do in order to make the maximum amount of daily reward. So first of all, you're probably wondering what is the method I'm going to show you. Because as you know, the days of mining crypto are well over unless you have a cheap electricity and a bunch of 4090s. And even if you have a 4090, this method can generate you about $9 to $10 a day, which is a lot better than crypto mining. So this method works because, as you all know, we're currently in the middle of AI revolution, and companies are racing to build AI tools which require huge data centers with powerful PC. However, this software called Salad can rent out normal users' PC to start up AI companies and use your GPU or CPU power while giving you the renting cost for the processing power you rent out. And with this app, you can rent out your CPU, GPU, or internet bandwidth to earn you some money. So first of all, install the software by heading to the link in the description and sign up for the account. And make sure to use the referral code down below because you can earn double the amount you normally earn for the first few days. So after finishing the installation, there are several steps you can do, which is guided by the software. However, the most important part is setting an exception for the antivirus, because sometimes when the software couldn't find a job for your computer, it will default to a mining software. This is done in order for you to not earn $0. You can follow the quick guide that the software provided, and in this video I'm using Afira, which is the most used antivirus, and you can also find the other antivirus exception setting in the documentation. You need to do this in order for the crypto mining software to work. However, if you do not wish your PC to be used for crypto mining and only want the profitable job, I will show you at the end of the video how to disable the mining function of the software. So if you're done installing the software, in order to get the most profitable job, make sure you set this parameter in the settings. First of all, open Salad on your toolbar and go to your settings. Whitelist Salad in your Windows Defender, then disable sleep mode, and you can also enable auto launch and set the idle timer to 1 minute so that the PC can start the job right away in case of unexpected restarts. And next, head to the workload preferences, make sure CPU and GPU usage is enabled, and then enable elevated RAM usage along with elevated permission. And keep in mind, this elevated RAM setting can cause your PC to be unstable. If you're experiencing crash, you can disable it. Lastly, if your hard disk is running out of space, make sure to free some space in the C drive and have at least 50GB of free space in your C drive. This is because the high-paying job requires some setup and hard drive space for the software to be installed. Which means that you shouldn't be surprised if the earning is low at the start, because the PC will start by mining as it sets up the necessary files for the high-paying job by downloading them in the background. Also, if you have a software like CC Cleaner, make sure not to use CC Cleaner to remove the 50GB temporary files, as it will delete all the files that Salad downloaded for the high-paying job, and you will end up just earning a low-paying crypto mining job until all the files are downloaded again. So, if you're done with the initial setup, you can start earning by restarting your PC. However, if you want the best possible earning by knowing what hardware and jobs pays the most, and how to disable the crypto mining job function, and how to increase your chance to get high paying job, please continue watching. So first of all, I'm going to explain what kind of jobs are there in Salad. It consists of crypto mining job, container job, and bandwidth sharing job. Crypto mining job is the lowest paying job. However, you will likely start with a mining job because the software will need time to download the necessary files for the high paying job. Next, you have a container job, which is the second highest paying job. And lastly, there is bandwidth sharing job, which works by sharing internet speed. So the higher your internet speed is, the higher paying the job is. However, this currently is only available in certain countries, and Salad is slowly expanding eligible countries. So how do you get the highest paying job? First of all, if you have a RAM that is 32GB or higher and a 3080 or higher spec graphic card, you have a higher chance of getting high paying container job. But if you don't have this hardware, you can still earn container job by activating Salad for at least 50 hours a week and earn the Star Chef badge. Next, if you have a CC cleaner and when you scan your system you have a 50 plus gigabyte temporary files indicating that Salad installed a container job files and you still getting container job, you can try restarting your PC and checking the task manager because if you have this VMMX or some variation of that app running, and it's consuming high amount of RAM, that means that you have a container job. And if you're not and you see the T-Rex or G miner, you can restart the PC until you have one. Next, if you want to disable GPU mining function, you can follow this step I'm going to show you. There's also a written document in the description. However, I think you're better off not doing this because Salad will give warning and say that your Salad is degraded. So I'd rather wait until you get a higher paying job, or you can keep the app active and try to earn a Star Chef badge. Lastly, if you're planning to upgrade your PC and wondering what should you upgrade to earn a chance at higher paying job, I think the first priority is upgrading to 64GB RAM. As for me, it doubled my 3090 earning, and second, of course, a better graphic cards is a better earning. But those are expensive and takes a lot of time to break even unless you are already planning to buy them. So you're done with your setup and earn some money. I'm going to explain how you can redeem your reward. And it's pretty simple. You can go to this link and redeem your rewards. And there is all kind of option and way to redeem your money. And the most obvious option is PayPal. But if you don't have PayPal because you're not old enough, you can just redeem other services like gift card, Steam balance, Spotify or Google Play balance. And if you need cash, you can trade these gift cards in Reddit forums. And that's all for the guide. And if you still have some question, you can join the Discord group. There's all kinds of guides there and even people showing off their earnings. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if it did, why not like the video and subscribe to the channel, as I plan to show you all the best option to earn money that I've gathered so far. So thank you for watching, see you guys in the next video.